Hey guys, quick one. Okay, so what if I told you wealth is no longer about land or factories, but about something you can't touch? In today's world, the richest people aren't the ones with the most information, they are the ones with the best information. Let's break it down. About 300 years ago, land was the key to wealth. Those who owned it held power. Then came the industrial age, where factories and production created economic giants. Today, information moves the world. But true wealth belongs to those who know how to make use of it. It is not just about having the information, but those who know how to make the right use of such information. Tomorrow's wealth won't be about what you own, it will be about what you know and how fast you can act on it. If you want to stay ahead, start investing in knowledge, connection, and digital skills today. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.